Okay, so we just got this new Wii Remote, as in a couple of days ago. My daughters needed to replace one of their remotes so they could finally play their favorite games together without having to take turns. And let me tell you, so far it's like they never skipped a beat. It connected to our Wii with no issues at all, super easy. The setup instructions were actually listed right on the product page, and they were super clear. I just popped in two AA batteries, hit the sync button on the remote and the console, and that was it. It connected instantly. I didn't even need to look up a YouTube video for help. It worked right away, like we always had it. The motion sensitivity is really good. It picks up all the movements, just like the original. And I love that it comes with everything: the remote, the nunchuck, a silicone sleeve, and even a wrist strap. My kids tend to be on the clumsy side, so they are able to hold on to the remote without dropping it. Now they're able to play together finally without fighting over the controller. And that makes everyone's life around here easier. If you're looking for a replacement Wii Remote or you just need a second one, this one is definitely worth it. It does exactly what it's supposed to, and it doesn't feel like a knockoff. Honestly, I'm really happy with this purchase, and I would highly recommend it.